Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll go over what EMV is. EMV stands for Europay, MasterCard, and Visa, and it refers to payment processing standards with added security. EMV relies on payment cards that have a built-in computer chip, as well as special card readers made to scan those chips. EMV cards are also known as smart cards because of that microchip. The chip enables more encryption and security than a card that only has a magnetic stripe that you swipe. That's because the chip generates a unique code for every transaction, and it's also nearly impossible to clone and create a counterfeit EMV credit card. There are two types of EMV cards, chip and PIN and chip and signature. A chip and PIN card uses a PIN you create to authenticate your transaction, while a chip and signature card requires you to sign your name. Chip and PIN cards are more secure, since it's easier to fake a signature than it is to guess a PIN. Finally, when it comes to physically using an EMV credit card, you may have to dip your card into a reader instead of swiping it. You may have to wait a few seconds longer than usual too. EMV cards can also be enabled to work with contactless payment readers. So instead of dipping or swiping the card, you simply tap it against a scanner that's equipped with NFC, or near-field communication technology. So now that you know more about EMV cards, you're ready to browse the latest offers. The easiest way to find the right card is to check out Wallet Hub's Editor's Picks by clicking the button right here.